Hello. I want to take a minute to talk about some functionality added in 4.50, which is our March 2025 release. Specifically, it's related to additional costs. We have had some requests to be able to do a better job of telling us who was the last person that changed, say, a labor ID cost and when it was changed. This doesn't actually keep an audit trail, but it does actually allow you to know who made the change the last time. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the additional cost view that we have here. We actually added a few fields here to the table, but then also expressed it over into the view. These last four fields are the ones we're talking about: created by, created on, modified by, and modified on. Specifically, if I kind of move some of these over, let's go modified, and this really mostly is in the modifieds. So I've got a modified on and modified date. I'm going to come into this labor ID. I actually created a drill back for this so I can a little easier get to that record here. So we've got this additional cost ID. It is at currently $1.1 dollars per unit. I'm going to go ahead and change that to 1.2 and save. Now it's part of the database. We've always been able to do that, but the new part here is that when I refresh, you'll see the second line is actually refreshed with who I'm logged in and the date in which it was changed. So it gives it some nice capability associated with kind of identifying who handled this record and who made that change. If you need audit trails where we know what it was and what it's going to be, let us know. We have the ability to cache that and store that away, so you could save that, you could retrieve that later. This is really just bringing that modified by, modified date onto the record so that you could just see who the last person was that made that change. Anyway, I hope that helps. Let us know what we can do to help. This was actually a request from the field, and we got it into the application. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.